Good afternoon, students. In the previous video, we have studied about the useful microorganisms, where microorganisms or microbes are useful to us. Yes, we have discussed about that microorganisms are used in the formation of curd and cheese. They are used in the formation of antibiotics, vaccines. Even we can say they are used in the preparation of bakery items, food items, in increasing the soil fertility. So it means microorganisms are very much useful to us. But today we will discuss about some microorganisms which are harmful to us also. And so we will study about that. Some microorganisms spoil our food. You have seen if your food remain in the kitchen for 1 or 2 days, then it may start giving you foul smell, and that foul smell is due to the spoiled food, and it means microorganisms spoil our food. Then microorganisms cause disease in plants, animals and human beings. The organisms which cause disease are known as pathogens. The organisms which cause disease are known as pathogens or germs. Now question is, how these pathogens or germs transferred from an unhealthy person to the healthy person? कि कहाँ से आ जाते हैं इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन से हेल्दी पर्सन में, कहाँ से किस के थ्रू आ जाते हैं? थ्रू एयर, वाटर एंड फूड, बाय डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट और बाय कैरियर वेक्टर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज? द डिजीज विच अकर फ्रॉम an infected person to a healthy person through air, water and food by direct contact or by a carrier are called communicable disease. Now question is, how communicable disease spread? So first, by air. By air. Yes, when an infected person sneezes or coughs, thousands of microbes enter into the air, and these microbes are taken by the healthy person. It means the microbes enter now into the healthy person and the healthy persons become infected. So by air. Can you give me some names of disease which occur due to the air? Yes, who will give me? Number 1. Yes, tuberculosis. Yes, chicken pox. Yes, mumps. And last, measles. So these are the diseases which occur when the microbes which are present in the air enter into the healthy person. In this way, the person gets suffered from the various diseases that are tuberculosis, chicken pox, mumps and measles. And now we will study how disease gets spread by the food and water. By the food and water. By food and water. First of all, my dear students, you tell me, how food get contaminated? Food contaminated कैसे हो जाता है? Food contaminated when the food is not prepared in the hygienic condition. It means when food is prepared under unhygienic condition, our food get contaminated. In the same way, if we are not collecting water in the proper way, the food, water also become contaminated. By taking contaminated food and water, the person become infected. And the examples are polio. Polio disease is occurred by taking contaminated food and water. Then cholera, then typhoid, so now next is, if a mosquito bites you, then what will happen? Mosquito bite, when a healthy person, अब mosquito ने क्या किया, healthy person को bite कर दिया, अनहेल्दी पर्सन को बाइट कर दिया। अब अनहेल्दी पर्सन के अंदर क्या है, डिजीज कॉजिंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स है। वो डिजीज कॉजिंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स, पैथोजन जो है वो मॉस्किटो में एंटर कर गए, और डेट द सेम मॉस्किटो उसने हेल्दी पर्सन को बाइट कर दिया। अब क्या होगा, that disease causing organisms enter into the healthy person, and that healthy person become infected. In this way the person become infected. Can you give me some example of disease which is caused due to the mosquito? Yes, malaria. Malaria is caused by the bite of female Anopheles mosquito. When female Anopheles mosquito bites an unhealthy person, the plasmodium, you can say, enter into the mosquito, and the same mosquito when bites an healthy person, that plasmodium carrier enter into the healthy person and that in the healthy person becomes infected. In this way disease spread. And sometimes you see, when what happens, when garbage is there and house flies sits on it, अब housefly garbage पे when sit, what will happen, the disease causing organism stick to his legs, and when the same housefly will sit on the uncovered food, अब अनकवर्ड फूड पे बैठ गई वो, कौन बैठ गया, हाउस फ्लाई। कहाँ थी पहले हाउस फ्लाई, गार्बेज पे क्या थे, डिजीज कॉजिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म थे। कहाँ स्टिक हो गए, हाउस फ्लाई की लेग्स पे स्टिक हो गए, और वो अनकवर्ड फूड पे बैठे, तो वो पैथोजेंस कहाँ पास हो गए, अनकवर्ड फूड पे। अब अनकवर्ड फूड को कौन खाएगा, हु विल टेक अनकवर्ड फूड, जो पर्सन खाएगा हेल्दी पर्सन हो, वेदर इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन हो, अनकवर्ड फूड को खाने से, बिकॉज दैट फूड इज कंटेमिनेटेड, द डिजीज अकर इन दैट पर्सन। यस, इन दिस वे हाउस फ्लाई transmit the disease into the healthy person. Can you give me some examples? Yes, diarrhea. Any other example? Food poisoning can occur. Next, gastroenteritis. These disease occur. Enteritis. In this way, healthy person get infected by eating uncovered food. That is why your teacher, your mother always ask you not to eat uncovered food, not to take food from the hawkers, which are street hawkers, you can say. So today we have discussed about the harmful microorganisms, how microbes cause disease in the plants also, in animals also, in human beings also. And on page number in your book, page number 31 perhaps, there is a table given in which disease names are given and causative organism, then preventive measures are given, and you have to learn and prepare a chart of that. Okay, my dear students, thank you. Have a nice day.